Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, the go-to destination for all things kitchen and home improvement. Today we have an exciting topic to discuss: the most reliable luxury kitchen faucets in 2024. If you're in the market for a faucet that combines style, functionality, and durability, you're in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Now, let's get started. Our first contender in the lineup is the Kraus 77515 versus Taunt Semi-Professional Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet. Known for its exceptional quality and sleek design, this faucet is a true game changer in luxury kitchen fixtures. The semi-professional pull-down spray head provides flexibility and ease of use, making kitchen tasks a breeze. The vibrant stainless finish adds a touch of elegance to any kitchen's back, and the durable construction ensures long-lasting performance. Key features of the Kraus 77515 versus Taunt Semi-Professional Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet. Versatility: 3-function spray head, tackle diverse tasks with Berisoft spray for delicate rinsing, aerated stream for filling pots, and sweep spray for powerful cleaning. High-arching spout provides ample clearance for filling large pots and pans. Performance: Docknetic magnetic docking ensures secure and effortless placement of the spray head when not in use. Powerful flow delivers efficient water usage for quick filling and cleaning. Easy clean design, removable coil spring and coated hose simplify maintenance. Durability: Kohler's Proflex PEX supply lines offer superior flexibility and leak resistance compared to traditional metal lines. Lifetime limited warranty, backed by Kohler's reputation for quality and reliability. Aesthetics: semi-professional style combines sleek, modern design with commercial-grade functionality. Available in multiple finishes, choose from vibrant stainless steel, polished chrome, vibrant brushed modern brass, vibrant brushed bronze, vibrant polished nickel, and oil-rubbed bronze to match your kitchen decor. Additional features: pull-down spray head with extended reach for added convenience, single control handle for effortless temperature and flow adjustment, ADA compliant for ease of use. Overall, the Kraus 77515 versus Taunt Semi-Professional Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet is a versatile, high-performing, and stylish option for busy kitchens. Its combination of functionality, durability, and aesthetics makes it a popular choice for both professional and home chefs. Kraus 77515 versus Taunt Semi-Professional Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet. Pros and cons. Pros: versatile spray head, professional feel, durable construction, easy cleaning, multiple finishes. Cons: installation complexity, spray head size, water flow control. The Kraus 77515 versus Taunt Semi-Professional Pull-Down Kitchen Sink Faucet is a high-quality, versatile option for ambitious home chefs who want a professional look and feel in their kitchen. However, its price tag and potential installation complexity might not be suitable for everyone. Carefully consider your needs and budget before making a decision. But that's not all. Let's move on to our next top pick. Next up, we have the Kraus KP F161 OSS Bolden 18-inch commercial kitchen faucet. This faucet is a powerhouse, combining a commercial-grade design with a sleek and modern aesthetic. The dual-function pull-down spray head in all-bright finish ensures versatility and efficiency in your kitchen. Whether you're washing dishes or filling large pots, the Bolden has got you covered. The high-arch spout adds a touch of sophistication, making it a focal point in any luxury kitchen. Here are the key features of the Kraus KP F161 OSS Bolden Faucet. Commercial-style faucet with an industrial look, the Kraus KP F161 OSS Bolden features a high-arc, open coil spout and a pull-down spray head with a long, flexible hose. This gives the faucet a professional look that is perfect for any kitchen. Compact design that fits under most cabinets, the Bolden faucet is only 18 inches tall, so it will fit under most kitchen cabinets. This makes it a great choice for kitchens with limited space. Pull-down spray head with dual function. The spray head on the Bolden faucet has 2 spray patterns, a gentle, aerated stream for everyday cleaning, and a powerful spray for rinsing dishes. The spray head also has easy-to-clean rubber nozzles that resist mineral buildup. Durable and easy to clean, The Bolden faucet is made from solid brass and has a spot-resistant finish that is easy to keep, clean, easy to install. The Bolden faucet comes with all the hardware you need for installation. It can be installed in a single hole or a 3-hole configuration. Here are some additional features of the Kraus KP F161 Bolden that you may find helpful. The faucet has a single handle lever control for easy temperature and flow adjustment. The spray head docking arm keeps the spray head securely in place when not in use. The faucet has a limited lifetime warranty. Here are some pros and cons. Kraus KP F161 Bolden faucet. Pros: industrial style and functionality, compact design, dual function spray head, maneuverability and reach, durable construction, easy installation, positive user reviews. Cons: potential water splashing, fingerprints, limited finish options, sprayer retraction. Overall, the Kraus KP F161 Bolden is a great choice for anyone who is looking for a stylish and functional kitchen faucet. It is well made, easy to use, and comes with a lifetime warranty. Now, let's explore our final pick. Last but certainly not least, we have the Delta Stainless 400 DSD faucet. This classic single-handle kitchen sink faucet with a side sprayer in a matching finish is a timeless choice for those who appreciate traditional elegance. The single-handle design offers precise control over water temperature and flow, while the side sprayer adds extra convenience for targeted cleaning. Delta's reputation for reliability and innovation shines through in this kitchen masterpiece. Here are the key features of the Delta Stainless 400 DSD faucet. Single-handle design for easy control of water temperature and flow. Diamond seal technology for leak-free performance. This technology uses a ceramic disc instead of traditional washers to create a frictionless seal that is guaranteed to last for life. Touch clean spray head for easy cleaning. The spray head features a soft rubber nubs that can be wiped clean with a simple touch. Magnetic docking system keeps the spray head securely in place. The spray head snaps into place on the faucet body for a clean and finished look. ADA compliant for easy use by people with disabilities. The faucet meets the Americans with Disabilities Act ADA guidelines for ease of use. Lifetime limited warranty. Delta faucets are backed by a lifetime limited warranty against defects in materials and workmanship. Here are some additional features that you may find helpful. The faucet has a flow rate of 2.2 gallons per minute GPM. The faucet is available in a variety of finishes, including stainless steel, chrome, and bronze. The faucet can be installed on a 1-hole or 3-hole sink deck. Here are some pros and cons about Delta Stainless 400 DSD faucet. Pros: 1. Durability. Stainless steel construction enhances longevity and durability. 2. Aesthetics. Modern design and finish contribute to an attractive kitchen appearance. 3. Easy maintenance. Touch clean spray holes make it easy to clean and prevent mineral buildup. 4. Versatility. Multiple spray settings provide flexibility for various kitchen tasks. 5. User-friendly, single-handle operation simplifies control and adjustments. 6. Installation. Easy installation may be suitable for DIY enthusiasts, potentially saving on professional installation costs. Cons. 1. Cost. Stainless steel faucets can be more expensive compared to other materials. 2. Dependency on water pressure. Some features, like spray settings, may depend on the water pressure, which could be a limitation. 3. Style preference. Aesthetic preferences vary, and what suits one kitchen may not appeal to everyone. 4. DIY challenges. While designed for easy installation, DIY installation may still pose challenges for some users. 5. Maintenance. Despite the touch clean feature, regular cleaning may be necessary to maintain the faucet's appearance. Overall, the Delta Stainless 400 DSD faucet strikes a balance between practicality, reliability, and aesthetic appeal, making it a versatile and worthwhile choice for you. Now, let's do a quick side-by-side comparison. The Kohler 77515 versus Taunt boasts a semi-professional design, perfect for those who want a touch of the culinary world in their own kitchens. The Kraus KP F161 Bolden brings commercial-grade functionality with a stylish flair. Meanwhile, the Delta Stainless 400 DSD faucet offers classic elegance and trusted reliability Whether you lean towards the modern, commercial, or classic style, these luxury kitchen faucets are sure to meet your expectations. Investing in a reliable and aesthetically pleasing faucet is not just about adding a finishing touch to your kitchen but enhancing your overall cooking and cleaning experience. Which one would you choose for your kitchen upgrade? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more kitchen inspiration. Until next time, happy cooking!